Hi guys, today we're going to learn the sounds of animals that sound like this. Let's begin. Which animal that sounds like this? Awesome, that sounds like a cow. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? Great, that sounds like a horse. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? That's right. That sounds like a sheep. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? You did it. That sounds like a turkey. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? Good job. That sounds like a dog. From Bucky. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? Amazing! That sounds like a duck. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? Perfect. That sounds like a cat. Like me. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? Great job. That sounds like a pig. Sounds like this. Which animal that sounds like this? All right, that sounds like an owl. Sounds like this. How fun, kids! We've already learned the animal sounds that sound like this. Now let's learn together in the next video.